everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are making prawn pattices. For that we first fry the onion, cut the onion and fry it well. I have mentioned all the ingredients in the description for you as always, so don't worry about the quantities. So you saute the onion well, and once that's done you add some green chilies into it and then continue to saute the onions till they are well cooked. Then we add a bit of ginger garlic paste, some red chili powder, and give it a good mix. And then I've added some coriander powder and then give it a good mix again. I've added some cumin powder as well and some turmeric, and make sure you give it all a good mix. So all the powdered spices basically go in at this stage. And then I've also added a sprig of curry leaves. That's optional. If you don't want it, you can leave it, but I think it just gives it a nice distinct flavor which makes it really nice, you know. And then the ending, I've added some pepper powder, then some salt, and put in some water, like a little bit of water, not a lot. And then once that's done, you give it all a good mix just so that all the powders mix well, and cover it for some time. And then when you open it, it looks like this, and the mixture is all done. This is basically the onion masala mix, so you keep it aside. Then you take your puff pastry sheet and cut it into 8, and then you cut your eggs into halves. And once that's done, you put a tablespoon of the onion masala mix and then put your egg, place it diagonally like this. Then you join all the ends diagonally again. You can fold it like this on all 4 sides. And once that's done, you just repeat that with all the remaining pieces of the puff pastry that you made as well. So just repeat the procedure with all of them. There you go again. We just fold the edges like that. And you continue and repeat the process till all the eggs are used up. Then you beat an egg and then you use it for the egg wash on all the egg pattices that we've nicely wrapped. You use it as a lovely egg wash. You preheat your oven in the meantime too, so that it's about preheated for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and after that you pop these in the oven. So in they go in the oven, and you leave them there for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. And once they are out, this is how they will look. Absolutely delicious. You can serve them with some ketchup of your choice, or just eat them like that with a warm cup of tea, and they are all ready. Go ahead, make them and enjoy. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.